Hey guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'll teach you how you can log into Workforce ADP, which is basically a business management software designed to provide robust and management features for small businesses and larger enterprises. So first of all, search for Workforce ADP login on Google. Right after that, you will be able to see a link that pops out at the top. Once you click there, you will be redirected to the official login page where it'll be asking us to input our user ID. So let's enter it. After that, click on Next. Then it will ask you for a password. So let's enter it. And once you put your ID and password, simply click on Sign In on the screen, and you will be able to log in. And by chance, if you have forgotten your password, just simply click on Forget Password on the screen, and it will ask you for your mail or phone number, and you can reset your password. So this is how you can log into ADP. And if you still face any problem, you can just comment down below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, and if you think this video was helpful for you, please do subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.